This is Cinder the elephant. She has practically lived her whole life in the circus and has never left the circus grounds. Since a small age, she has been forced to do tricks to earn small bits of food she gets. We start our story in the circus as Cinder's performance comes to an end.
Are you all my personal dreams? Everything you know is in your mind.
And that's when Cinder was brought to the circus prison. Cinder tries to fight back, but it's no use as she does not have the strength to fight back.
I have never made more money off of one animal in so many years. I'm telling you, she's gonna be my money-making machine.
After the ringmaster finishes talking, he gives Cinder her food with pieces of cinder in it carelessly. He forgets to lock the cage as he proudly thinks of all the profit he has gained from Cinder. Cinder sees the opening cage and decides to take her chance. As the gate is open, Cinder decides to run away. Due to the lack of food and water, Cinder dies in the same spot she was captured from.
Elephant was based on the story of a popular elephant named Jenny.
Jenny was an elephant who lived in the circus, and was abducted from her family at a very young age. She died last year from being moved around often for different shows in different countries, while being forced to endure heavy chains as well as dark trailers while traveling.
She was not only put through so much work during her travels, but she was also forced to overwork herself, and when she wouldn't cooperate from being too tired, the ringmaster will pull on a sensitive trunk to cause her unbearable amount of pain until she continued to work. No one, not even an animal as strong as an elephant, can endure something like this. And sadly, Jenny died just last year.
This is just one of the 15,000 to 20,000 elephants captive today. Elephants are denied basic rights so that we can smile and clap our hands when we go to zoos and circuses. Our want for elephants has caused their suffering, so just as we can bring elephants into this cruel entertainment industry, how can we bring them back to where they belong, the jungles and forests?
If you ever see an animal being abused and treated wrongly, don't be afraid to call 1-833-926-4625 or 1-833-9-ANIMAL. It is our job to make a difference. Here are some main hints to identify if an animal is being abused. 1. Poor body condition.
Noticeable trauma.
3. Owner not being concerned for the animal.
4. Lack of energy.
5. Lack of sanitization.
6. Owner's lack of knowledge on previous injuries. There are still many more signs that can show if an animal is being abused.
You can also spread awareness through social media. Share the story of Jenny as well as the hardships of elephants to tackle this huge problem one elephant at a time.